तस्माच्छास्त्रं प्रमाणं ते कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि.
Welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss about the transit of Jupiter from Dhanusu to Magharam. As we are aware about the planetary settings, this planetary arrangements, this is the planetary arrangements today, and after this month Kanya ends, the sun will be changing into Taurus. Likewise, the other arrangements will be there, and on 15th of November, the Guru is going to transfer from this place to this place, that is Dhanus to Magaram, and as per Drikkanita, it will be changing on 20th November 2020. Anyway, he is going to change his place from Dhanus to Magaram. This is the arrangement. For better understanding, you can see. This is the arrangement. Now he is in Dhanus and he will be moving to this Magaram, and after some times he will go into Kumbham by Adhicharam and again reverse back to this Magaram. This is the general arrangement or transit of Guru. Now we will see how the transit of this Guru will affect one and all of us. And it's very important to note that the astrology is a science. Shastras expressing its view that Jyotisham Vyavaharam cha Prayachittam Chikitsagam Vina Shastrena Yobhuye Tamahu Brahmaghadaga. The astrology, the living arrangements, the remedial instructions, the medicinal prescription, all such things we have to refer Shastra in a proper way, and we have to follow the Shastraic rules only for predicting or instructing or prescribing or advising for such things. Hence, for astrological prediction and remedial instructions, we have to follow Shastra. Otherwise, the very big sin called Brahmaghatagaha, the sin which is very highly noted and having higher value among the sins is killing of a Brahman. If one prescribing or advising or suggesting for such 4 items without referring Shastra, he will get the sin of the maximum. Hence, Shastra has to be referred for such things. Now, we are going to refer the Shastra what tells about the Gochara, or transit in general. The 26th chapter of Phaladipika of Mantreshwara express and giving us a vast note on this transit. Suryaha Shatridashastidashashat Saptadyadaschandramaha Jivaswastatapadvibhanchamagado Vakrakajau Shatrigau Saumyaha Chadurdashastamagata Sarvepyabhantyastitaha Sukraha Ghastaribhun Vihaya Subadaha Tibham Subadvoginaha. The sun and Rahu, while going or moving in the 6th, 3rd, 10th and 11th bhava from moon, as well as the moon is in a good house, then the moon in 3rd, 10th, 6th, 7th and 11th, the Jupiter in 7th, 9th, 2nd, 5th and 11th, the Mars and Saturn in 3rd and 6th, the Mercury, Buddha in 6th, 2nd, 4th, 10th and 8th bhava, the Venus is in 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 8th, 9th, 11th and 12th bhava. The planets will be giving a favorable result for the subject. So, whatever here not told, that bhavas will be affected. We have to take it into care. The second sloka of Phaladipika 26th chapter Mantreshwara telling these things. And we have to hear what will be the result of the Guru's position based on the moon. Based on moon, we are predicting. Now, just hear the 18th, 19th and 20th slokas from Phaladipika. Jive janmani desha nirghamavamaha artachudhim satrudham prapnodi dravinam kudumbasugam-apyarte swavajam phalam ducchikke stidina shamishtaivadhim कार्यान्तरायारुजं दुःखैर्बन्धुजनोद्भवैश्च हि भुगे धैर्यं च दुष्पाद्भयम्. This is first, second, third and fourth position of Guru from the Chandra. Here from fifth, Putrotpatti mubhaidi sajjanayudim rajanukulyam sudhe shashte mandrini pidayandirivaha tatnadayo vyadayaha yatram shobanahetave vanitaya saukyam sudhaptim smare मृत्युक्लेशमरिष्टमष्टमघते नष्टं धनैः कष्टदाम्. From 5th, 6th and 7th and 8th place, when Guru is moving from moon, this is the sloga. And from 9th to 12th, Bhagye Jive Saurva Saubhagya Siddhim कर्मण्यर्थस्थानपुत्रादिपीडां लाभे पुत्रस्थानमानाधिलाभं दीपे दुःखं साध्वसं द्रव्यहेतोः. This is the end result from 9th to 12th house, that 4 houses. And I will explain what is told in Shastra in simple English. The present position of planets is called as transit. This transits are meant for predicting us also when the particular event will happen, and wherever at the particular time an individual is going through a favorable or unfavorable event. So the present position of all planets called as Gocharam or transit in English, Gocharam in Malayalam or other languages. So, transit prediction is very important since it can be predicted through the change of from the moon position, where the star or the moon situated at the time of our birth, where the sun situated at the time of birth is called as Lagnam, and the moon is called as Rashi. So, how the Guru Gocharam and why the Guru Gocharam? We know all planets are keeps on moving. The sun moves every day and it will complete the movement of the universe by 1 year, and every month it will be changing one place to another place. The changing place of sun is called as month, and the moon used to change his place each and every 2.25 days. The Mars used to travel one Rashi 40 days to 45 days. It depends. The Buddha, Mercury also used to change his place every day, and it will be changing one house to another house 30 to 40 days. And the Jupiter the today's hero, he will change his place every year. He will not place the Rashi. He will change one house to another house every year. And Shukra, the Venus, is in around 45 days. The Rahu, the Shani, Saturn, will change its house one to another by 2.5 years. That is why he is called as Mandha, one who moves slowly. And the Rahu and Ketu used to change his pace anti-clockwise in each and every 1.5 years. That is the rules of Gochara or transit. Since the slow-moving planets like Rahu, Ketu, Guru and Shani, the prediction people used to hear and they have faith on this prediction based on Shastra. Now, we observe the planet transit movements. What does it mean? It's like a moving into new house. Similarly, the transiting planets are said to us moving into new house and changing it one place to another place. This is what it means, the planet transit. The Jupiter will stand 1 year in one Rashi and it will take 12 years to rotate the Earth or universe. Lastly, here, don't misunderstand. Lastly, they have entered into Magara Rashi on 10th December 2008, Wednesday. Please hear again. Lastly, the Guru changed his house Dhanush to Magharam on 2008, 10th December. And now, the 15th November 2020, as per Vakya Ganita, and 20th November 2020 by Drigganita, is going to change his house from Dhanush to Magaram. So what will be the effects? The Mesham, Aries, the Rishabham, Parus, the Midunam, Gemini, the Kadagam, Cancer, the Simham, Leo, Kanni, Virgo, Tulam, Libra, Vrishchigam, Scorpio, Dhanush, Sagittarius, Magaram, Capricorn, Kumbham, Aquarius and Meenam, Pisca. This is the setup. So, here we will see how the effects of this Guru will directly affect the subject concerned. What will be the, before that we will understand what will be the beneficial influence from Lord Guru. Lord Guru governs in astrology, employment in government service, education, employment opportunity, promotions, financial prospects, children's education, avoidance of diseases, avoidance of accidents, marriage and begetting of children. These benefits are to be obtained through the grace of Lord Guru. So, very important things in life like marriage, to beget progeny, to study well and to gain money. The second house, the fifth house, the ninth house, the 11th house and the 7th house is influenced by this Guru. So, if Guru is posited in good place or aspecting in a good place, he will be a gainer. And there is a very important sloka from Saravali. When Magara Rashi, the Guru is situated, means when Guru situated in Magara Rashi, Saravali 27th chapter 19 and 20 verses telling Laguviryo Magaraste Bahuklesha Dharage Jive Nanajaro Murkho Duranda Niswaha Parapreshyaha Mangalya Daya Asauja Swabandhu Vatsalya Dharma Parihinaha Durbala Deho Biruhu Pravasashilo Vishadhija. In Magaram, generally Guru is sitting in his Nija house, in a deblated house. Hence, in the Capricorn, the Guru is not having that much of power to do. Lagu Viryaha will be not having power to do anything and having very difficult time and used to do many works, hence not concentrate in any one work. So end result will be 0. And Parap Niswaha, he will not gain money. Very important to gain money is very important in life. Mangalya Daya Sauja Swabandhu Vatsalya Dharma Parihinaha. He will move away from Dharma, the right useless way of life, and he will become Durbala, powerless, and he will become Biru, the fiery one, and Pravasashiraha. He will be moving from where he lives, and Vishadhija will be always how sad. Likewise, the arrangements when Jupiter in Magaram or that Capricorn. Our Guruji, Prasnika Bhushanam, Krishnanuni Panikar of Padu. Now his son Sri Muralidhar Panikar is leading, and Sri Raghava Panikar from Padu used to tell something about the Gojara position of Guru. The Raghava Panikar's son, Sri Shankarani Panikar of Padu, and his famous disciple, Shishya, Sri Rajamani Vaidyanatha Sharma of Mylapore, Chennai, astrologer, has given some suggestions, and based on the suggestion given from these scholars, I have made a special sloga based on the information given by them, and it found to be correct also. Just here. Janmachandre chare dhiman Sriramah vanavasya bud Tudiye bhali padhale Turiye bhrashta pandavaha Shashte guru ghojare Draupadi vastraharanam Ashtame guru ghojare भाली युद्धे वदो अभूद दशमे धारुघच्छेदः व्यये दशाननः हतः एवं ज्ञातव्यमस्माभिः गुरोर्गोचरघं फलम्. This sloga has been written by me only based on the information and instruction from the gurus. When Janmachandra, so now the Magara, for Magara Rashis, the Capricorn pupil. Now, just like this happened when Janmachandra chare dhiman Sriramaha vanavasya bhud. Rama went to forest because of no reason of his, but he went to forest when his this Jupiter was with Chandra at his Rashi, and Trudiye bhali padhale, when the Jupiter was in the third house from Chandra, Mahabali was very cleverly defeated by Vishnu. Turiye bhrashta pandavaha, when Jupiter was in fourth house from moon, the Pandavas lost everything and they have to went to forest. Shashte tu guru ghojare Draupadi vastraharanam, when the Jupiter was sixth house of Draupadi from moon, he went for this shyful action by Dushasana. Her dresses were taken in the Sabha by Kauravas. Ashtame Guru Ghojare Bhari Yuddhevato Abud, when Ashtama Guru was running the Bhali Sugriva, he is having that much of powerful gentleman. He used to do Sandhya Vandana in the morning at the Lanka and at the evening at the Himalaya. That much of power he is having. But when Guru transit was there in 8th house from his Chandra, he has been killed by Rama, and Dashame Dharughacchedaha, Darga was the demon who done very strong nasha to all devas and manchas and all living beings, and he has been killed by goddess Kali on when the Gojara Chandra, Gojara Guru was in 10th for Dharuka, and Vyaye Dashananahadaha, when Guru was in 12th house of Ravana from moon, Ravana have been defeated and killed by Rama. Evam jnadhavyamastmabhihi gurorghojanagham phalam. We have to understand this type of loss or killing or disposition and evacuation and exiling from one place to another place. Such unhappy happenings will be there for persons when Guru, the Jupiter, is not in a favorable position. To avoid such bad positions affect, we have to chant Vishnu Sahasranama each and every day during this transit period. By chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, when Guru is in Capricorn Magara, not only energizing ourselves, also give energy to all people, including the Nija Guru. Hence, chant every day Sri Vishnu Sahasranama and be benefited. Otherwise, chant Guru Mantra of Vyasa. Devanam Charashinam Cha Gurum Kanjana Sannibham Buddhibudam Tralogesham Tam Namami Brihaspadhim. This one is there. Om Gajadvajaya Vidmahe Grinihastaya Dhimahi Tanno Guru Prachodayat. This is Guru Gayatri, and another mantra is there in Navagraha Shanti. Om Brihaspadhe Adiyadharyo Arha Adyumadhyumadhikratu Manjaneshu Yadhidaya Sabasarta Prasadata Tasma Sudravinam Dehi Chitram Indramaritva Ihabahi Somam Yadashadhyate Abhivasutasya Tava Pranedhe Tava Shura Sharmanya Vivasandu Kavayasu Yajnaha Brahmajajnanam Radhamam Purastadjusi Madasurujo Vena Avaha Sabhutniya Ubhama Asya Vishtaha Sadasthayo Nimasadastha Vivaha Adidevada Pratyadidevada Sahidaya Bhagavadhe Brihaspadaye Namaha. Otherwise, the easy mantra Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha, Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha. All such mantras will be giving good results for better living for another 1 year to everybody. Not only one, but everybody. Now, I want to give a separate prediction for each and every Rashi. Just hear one by one. And before hearing the each and every Rashi prediction on Guru Gochara, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share to everybody. Since I doesn't want to tell this thing to everybody, I am a Vedic scholar, traditional astrologer, and qualified Sanskrit scholar and Jyotish scholar, getting PhD in Sanskrit and astrology from Madras University and Bharatadasan University. Also having 30 years of vast experience in practical astrology and practical Paurohitya. And for each and every word what I spell, I will quote from this Shastra only. Hence, the Shastraic knowledge only will be transferred to each and everybody in each and every sequence and each and every clip by my YouTube channel. And I once again request you to hear the Guru Gochara Kala of all. Wish you all the best.